Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the Faced Yummy Gummy limited edition makeup collection kit. Look, this is so cute. Look at that little teddy bear. I just love this one. As soon as I saw it at the Sephora website, I was like, yeah, I have to get it. I saw that they sell on Amazon too, so I'm going to be leaving the link below so you guys can check it out if you guys want to. Okay, this is how it looks. See, that get pretty. Like, who doesn't like very cute packaging? Like, seriously. It smells like gummy bears. Right there it says. It's an I Want Candy exclusive makeup bag. The limited edition lip injection lip balm. And then the multi-finish eye and face palette that comes in it. And that's just the info. Okay, let's open this one up. And you can actually feel the little gummies, bears popping out from the packaging. So it's so cute. Let me see. Let me see if I can open it. Okay, I wanted to do this video, guys. I got it a few days ago. Last time I checked, it's still available. So hopefully when this video is up, it's still up. If not, I'm going to leave the link below so you guys can check them out. Let's see. And then the previous years, I got just the one before this one. I think it was like the blush and then the lip duo with the bag also. Okay, you guys want to see that video, just check the link below. I'm going to try to link it too so you guys can see the previous video I did with Too Faced. Okay, so this is how the bag looks. See, look at it. Different colors. The little gummy bears. I Want Candy. It's like a transparent bag. Ooh, it looks feel like a good material too. So that's how it looks. You like it pretty. And I like that it comes like in a wrap right there. The back of it has that too. It's all glittery. See how cute. And then right here in the zipper, it has Too Faced on both sides of the zipper. Let's see if I can open it. Okay, cute. Let's see the palette. Oh, look at that. You can even feel the little baby gummy bears right there. And the inside, this one's cannot feel it. It's just on the paper. See, I don't know if you guys can see from the camera. See, if I put it from the side, you guys can see right there that is popping up, all of them. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, I don't want to blind you guys with the, but look, even at the packaging of the mirror has the little gummies just on 3 sides right there. Too Faced right here. And let's look at the eyeshadow so you guys can see it. Look at that. It comes with the protected little thing. I'm not going to take it off. Look at the eyeshadow, guys. Well, I am going to take it off so I don't blind you guys with it. But wow. Look at that, those colors. Okay, mamachita. See? That is so pretty. I don't want to touch them right now, guys, because I don't want to ruin the palette. Because I'm probably going to... I don't know if I'm going to actually end up using it. Or I'm just going to pass it on as a gift to somebody else. But look how pretty that looks. Like, I don't even think the light brings justice to it. You know, how pretty is the colors. Okay, so you have 8 colors and then just the blush right here. I already messed it up. Try not to dump my fingers in there. Ooh, yummy bear. The name for this blush right here. Look. Look at the 2 little bears right there. Sweet Tooth, Sweet Spot, Sugar Bowl, Bear Hug, I Choose You, Sugarcoat This, Candy Crushin', and Sticky Fingers. Love the names. So cute. Okay, so let's close this up. Okay, let's go to this one. And, ooh, look how pretty. The lip injection lip balm. Has the little bears right there. They're not sticking out or nothing. It's just on the top of the lid right there. Look how pretty. It's like a hot pink clear. I think right there. So that's so beautiful. And yeah, that's it. And the bag inside there has no pockets or anything. It's just like simple little baggie just to store them back in. Look how pretty, guys. And I believe like they had it on sale for $22. So, free shipping. So, that's so beautiful. What do you guys think about it, guys? Look at it. Yummy Bear. It's called the scent on this one. So I do like to wear the lip injections. I know some people don't like them, but I do. You know, it's like I don't need like to, I don't need no duck like lips yet, but I already have duck lips, but I like to enhance them once in a while. So yeah, that's why I like them. I like to feel paint in my lips, you know. Well, I love the color right here, just of the golden palette. So that's beautiful right there. And yeah, such a beautiful palette. Hopefully it works good too, because I know sometimes they have like problems too with the quality of these palettes. So sometimes that's why people don't like to purchase them, you know, from the holidays from Too Faced or other companies, because sometimes the quality is not there. But hopefully it works good, you know. So yeah, that's it, guys. And look, so you guys can look closely into it. So you guys saw the packaging. Mira que pretty. Guys, right there, so you guys can see it better. And I'll see if I can get some pictures at the end of this video, guys, so you guys can see that. Hopefully it brought some justice to it, but I seriously doubt it because it's not the same, you know, unless you look at it in person or something. So you guys can see how beautiful this is. But yeah, I think this would be a great gift for anybody, that a girlfriend, your wife, a friend, anything like that. And I love that it came just in this package, so I can just put it back and just like gift it if I want to. So yeah, it looks so beautiful. Yeah, I can't get over the little bear, like gummy bears. They're so cute. And I love that they're different colors, and it's like darker and it gets lighter on one side and the other one too. So I just love this packaging, guys, really do. And I love the products inside, obviously. So yeah, you see, so you guys can see it once again.